Now let us see how to create a folder. I was telling you, if you click on that new option and you have selected folder, that means this yellow color box will appear on the screen. Now what you will do, the first thing is that new folder, by default it is written like that, so you want to give it a name. Okay, you will click it here and you will type the word music and you will click your mouse outside. That means the name of the folder will be changed. Now whatever music you have made or you have loaded in your computer, select all the music files and put it in this music folder. Now let us see some more things. Opening a file or a folder. Now this is your music file. Okay, suppose Hindi music, English music. I want to open this file. Okay, simply you have to double click on this file. Okay, double click on any file and it will open. And if you want to open any folder, same thing you have to do. You have to simply double click on that and the contents or whatever things are there in that files or the folders, you will be able to see. Suppose I have created MS Word file here. You want to open this MS Word file. Simply double click on that and that particular file will be opened. Suppose I have written something or I have typed something. Whatever typed work was there, that work will be shown on your MS Word window. Renaming or file or a folder. Just now I have told you how to rename a file or a folder. Let us see it. Suppose this is your file. This way or this process is applicable for both file and folder. That means in using this process you can change the name of a file and you can change the name of the folder also. Suppose I have created a file with a name care and this is your folder. Okay, suppose I have given it a name father. Suppose I want to change the name. I'll bring my mouse pointer here. I'll do the right click. One menu box will open. From here you have to select rename option. When you click rename option, here you can click directly with the mouse or it will be highlighted like this. Care will be highlighted and you can click with your mouse and change the name of the file. That means I have given a name as suppose cool. Okay, I can click outside. So I have changed the name of this file. Same way you can change the name of the folder. What you will do, you will bring your mouse pointer here, do the right click, select the rename option, this father will be highlighted. Okay, and you have to click it here and type the new name. That means suppose I want to give the name wet. I have given the name wet and I will click outside. That means I have changed the name of the file. I have changed the name of the folder. Now let us see the new topic, that is your selecting multiple files or folders. I have created so many files and folders in the computer. Now, suppose these are different files. Okay, these are different files, and you want to select all of them. Okay, to select a consecutive group of files or folders, first click the first item, press and hold down the shift key, and then click the last item. You want to select date and general and math. Suppose one more file is here, that is your date sheet. I want to select only these three, but in a row, that means in a consecutive group. I want to select this date, general and math. What I will do, first I will click it here, then I will press the shift key. That means with the mouse, first I'll click it here, and then I'll press shift in a keyboard with my finger. Now what I will do, again I will click here and here. That means all the three files will be selected in a consecutive way or in a consecutive group, and only I am doing the selection work now. Only how to select the files and folders I am showing you here. The same process is applicable for your folder. Suppose these are the folders. I want to select it, date, general and math. The same way I will do. First I'll click date, and then with the one finger I'll select here in the keyboard, and then I'll just drag it here up till math, or I'll click general and math. Now three files are selected. To select multiple files, that means I want to select non-consecutive files or folders. Non-consecutive means I want to select alphabet, general and date sheet. Suppose these three are the files, alphabet, general and date sheet I want to select. So what I will do, I will first click alphabet, and then with one finger I'll just press the keyboard here, and I'll select control button, and then I'll click it here. Then with the mouse I'll click general, with the mouse I'll click date sheet. That means three different files which are in a non-consecutive group. These are not in a order. Okay, I have selected alphabet, general and date sheet. That means they are not in order. So I'll press control button and these three files, and that means you will select these three files in a non-consecutive way. Now to select all the files or folders, now this process is applicable for your folders also. Suppose these are your folder. So I want to select alphabet, general and date sheet. I will do the same thing. I'll press control button from the keyboard, alphabet, general and date sheet with my mouse. Now these are two different ways. That means I am selecting consecutive, I am selecting non-consecutive group of files. Now what is the next one? Let us see. If you want to select all the files and the folders, suppose I want to select all of them, what I will do, I'll click the organize option, and when you click organize option, you will find select all. Okay, you can find this in your page number 22. If you click this